It's now time for Midday Sports.
India were firmly in control of the first test against the West Indies at stumps on day 2 in Ahmedabad. The hosts were 448 for 5 in their first innings reply at the close, having resumed on 121 for 2. And they lead by 286 runs. KL Rahul, who resumed on 53, carried on to an even century. He shared a 98-run third-wicket partnership with fellow overnight batsman, captain Shubman Gill, who made an even 50 after resuming on 18. Ravindra Jadeja was 104 not out at the close. Jadeja also shared a 206-run fifth-wicket partnership with Dharav Jurel, who made 125, his maiden test ton. Captain Roston Chase has so far taken 2 for 90 for the Windies, while Jaden Seals, Jamel Warrican and debutant Kari Pear have taken a wicket each. And JFF President Michael Ricketts has confirmed that the Reggae Girls will play one friendly international against their Trinidad and Tobago counterparts later this month. Ricketts provided the update to TVJ Sports on Thursday following a press release from the Trinidad and Tobago Football Association on Wednesday stating 2 upcoming friendlies, including one against Jamaica.
Well, initially we were toying with the idea of having 2 games. Well, the coach took a decision that he would rather just play 1 game. I think we depart here on the 23rd and get back on the 29th. So he has opted to play just 1 game. The exact date of the game has not yet been finalized. So it has to be between the 23rd and the 29th. So everything is basically in place, and we had a meeting this morning that will have crossed the T's and dot the I's. So that is on track for Jamaican Reggae Girls to participate in a friendly against the Trinidad counterparts.
Newly crowned World 100-meter champion Oblique Seville and his management team are now set to cash in on opportunities for the sprinter. With mission accomplished at the Tokyo World Championships, what's next for Seville and his team? His agent is Norman Peart.
He goes back, gets his break, and then how it works, Coach Mills determines where he runs, and my job is to make sure he gets paid.
Meanwhile, Peart says he was given one job to do on the day of the men's 100-meter final in Tokyo. But how was that race won?
My job today was to go and get oxtail and jerk chicken and rice and peas. Right. And I went walking and from people from the ambassador's office, helped me. So that was my job to deliver the food and say, boss, do your thing. But Jeffrey King, Sean Kettle, Michelle Woolery, they are the heroes for tonight.
And that's the Midday News Package. I'm Carrie-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.